Hi, it's Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed or I'll buy it. Thanks for taking a minute to listen in. In a moment, I'll share with you some valuable information about this topic. Coronavirus infects Los Angeles housing market. How are public health and real estate connected? If you see any properties that are of interest to you, let us know. We will gladly send you a property information packet on any loft, condo, or house, or we will arrange for a private preview upon request. If you have a home you'd like to sell, then you should know that I will guarantee the sale of your present home at a price acceptable to you, or I'll buy it for cash. This guarantee will allow you to buy your next home without worrying about selling your present home. To find out how much you could sell your home for, call me at 213-880-9910 now. Here looks like a house that is infected with the coronavirus. This is the real estate news. The Los Angeles County home sales and prices tumbled in January as the market reacts to the economic uncertainties of the coronavirus. Home sales and prices dropped last month in Los Angeles County, and authorities think the worldwide onset of the novel coronavirus may have rattled the market, according to Patch.com. Here's a link where you could take a look at what Patch.com says. This is part of what they said. The county's median home sale price dipped nearly 4% from December. The California Association of Realtors reported Wednesday. Statewide, the picture was even worse. California's median single-family home price dropped 6.5% in 1 month. California Association of Realtors Chief Economist Leslie Appleton-Young said that the real estate market was rattled at the beginning of the year, like other markets, by the worldwide onset of the novel coronavirus originating in China. With the interest rates on a declining trend again due to concerns about the impact of the coronavirus, motivated buyers will have an opportunity to stretch their purchasing power in the housing market, she said. The economic outlook, however, is less clear than a month ago before the outbreak of the disease, and we should expect market uncertainties to continue to linger on for the short term, she added. In the longer term, the biggest impact to the U.S. may come from disruption of the world economy as a whole and global supply chains in particular. South Korean automaker Hyundai has suspended production due to a shortage of parts, while Saudi Arabia has pushed for oil production cuts in light of reduced demand from China. The California real estate market has been increasingly connected to events in China, as recently reported by the LA Loft blog in articles about financing of Oceanwide Plaza and Metropolis new condominium projects. The Real Deal reports on the topic that they say the size of China's economy makes it inevitable that a short-term slowdown will drag on global economic growth, with Asian countries and major trading partners likely to be most affected. CBRE Coldwell Banker Real Estate Greater China an analyst stated in a report this week, noting that while improved transport infrastructure in China could contribute to the spread of the virus, advances in surveillance and big data should help efforts to control the outbreak. But if the virus cannot be contained, then all bets are off. China, California, and the entire U.S. will suffer. A coronavirus pandemic would be even more of a black swan than the global financial crisis and Great Recession of 2008-2009. Moody's analysts warned in a research report last week, noting that the industrial metals price index has fallen by 7.1% since the risks of coronavirus first became apparent. Quote, "It won't just affect our market. The implications are huge, and we need to brace for impact," said Daniel Chang, head of Asia for the field team at Sotheby's. Chang recalled how business slowed to a crawl during the SARS outbreak 2 decades ago, when he worked as a private banker for HSBC. While the coronavirus may have a bit of scary effect on LA real estate, the LA Loft blog says that the effect is more of a minor catalyst to falling prices. As the LA Loft blog has reported, the weakness in China, along with local economic pressures towards falling home prices in California, had already begun well before the recent outbreak. Here's some related articles, links you can click onto if you would like more information on the infection of LA real estate by the coronavirus. Now here's reader questions. The smartest people in Los Angeles always have the best questions. Here's what the LA Loft blog readers are thinking and asking. Question: where can I find loft in LA for short term? Answer: there aren't very many lofts available for short term lease, but there are a few. So here's a link where you can click on details about that. Next question: what is the status of Oceanwide Plaza Los Angeles? Seems like people have no end to the concern and questions about Oceanwide Plaza. The answer is Oceanwide Plaza construction is about 50% complete, but it has been on hold for many months. In fact, I think it's been more than a year that it's been mostly stagnant due to lack of funding from mainland China developers. And there's more details, a link. Question: where can I find Mills Act properties in DTLA? The answer is historic lofts and condos with property tax benefits can be found at www.millsactla.com or click on the link here. Here is something helpful so that you don't make some serious mistakes. I think this is for buyers and sellers. 6 mistakes to avoid in downtown Los Angeles. Get a free special report. You can click on the links here, or you can fill out this short online form, very short. It's only got name, phone number, and email. Get this free report, Downtown Los Angeles Real Estate. It'll inform you about recent mortgage and loft loan changes. It's called 6 Things You Must Know Before You Buy. That's it. Here's another building, commercial and loft building, that is apparently infected by the coronavirus. But in case you can't tell, this is just clip art that I stuck a virus onto it for your entertainment and for illustration purposes. There actually has been no actual, what's the word for it? Infestation. There's no viruses that we know of sticking to the walls of downtown Los Angeles real estate, but downtown LA has been impacted by things that go on in China, but that impact is really minimum. As we mentioned in previous articles, there's other forces and other factors involved in downtown Los Angeles's. It's been going on for almost 2 years now. Prices going down in downtown Los Angeles, and we suspected that would spread and go on to other neighborhoods as well. Already, several years ago, we had made that prediction before coronavirus was in. So the LA Loft blog, our point of view is that yes, the coronavirus may have an effect on the whole world, but that's really more of a catalyst for all of the other things that are going on that people might prefer to blame the virus, because the virus is not human, although humans are actually very significantly viral. We are a lot more connected to viruses than what humans like to admit. Doctors are just beginning to admit that we're like, when it comes to number of cells, we're about, I think, 10 times more bacteria than we are human. And when it comes to a virus, when you look at our DNA, you actually see a big chunk of it is the same as that of a virus. All right, well, thank you for joining me. I hope this video goes viral. Thanks for listening. I'm Corey Chambers in Los Angeles. Your home sold guaranteed, or I'll buy it. Take care. Bye-bye.